Multiply the factor 6 square root of 7 plus 6 square root of 5 by the factor 2 square root of 7 minus the square root of 5. In order to multiply these two factors together, we multiply every term in the first factor by every term in the second. So let's begin by multiplying 6 square root of 7 by 2 square root of 7. We multiply 6 by 2 to get 12, and the square root of 7 by the square root of 7 to get the square root of 49, which is just the number 7. And next we multiply 6 square root of 7 by minus the square root of 5. Well, 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, and the square root of 7 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 35. Next, multiply the two inner terms. 6 square root of 5 multiplied by 2 square root of 7. 6 times 2 is 12, and the square root of 5 times the square root of 7 is the square root of 35. Okay, finally, multiply the two last terms together. 6 square root of 5 multiplied by minus the square root of 5. 6 times negative 1 is minus 6, and the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 25, which is 5. We go ahead and evaluate. 12 times 7 is 84. Minus 6 square root of 35 plus 12 square root of 35, and minus 6 times 5, which is 30. So now we can go ahead and combine like terms. 84 and minus 30 are like terms, so we can go ahead and combine those together. 84 minus 30 is 54. And then we can combine the two remaining terms. We have minus 6 square root of 35 and plus 12 square root of 35. Those are like terms because the radicands are the same, the 35s are the same, and they're also both square roots. So we have minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. So we end up with plus 6 square root of 35. So the end result is that 6 square root of 7 plus 6 square root of 5 multiplied by the factor 2 radical 7 plus minus the square root of 5 is 54 plus 6 square root of 35.